Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's super important for every student, their CV. If you're studying in the UK, your CV is your ticket to job opportunities, internships, and even graduate roles. So let's talk about how you can build the best CV while studying abroad. We've got some practical tips that will make you stand out to employers. First off, internships. UK universities are all about work experience, and internships are a fantastic way to build your CV. But here's the thing, just having a degree is no longer enough. Employers are looking for candidates who have practical experience to back up their qualifications. So getting an internship in your field, even if it's just for a few weeks, can really set you apart from your competitors. You don't have to wait until your final year to start gaining experience. In fact, the earlier you start, the better. Whether it's part-time or over the summer, internships provide hands-on experience that makes your CV stand out. Plus, they can open doors to full-time positions down the line. So never underestimate the power of real-world experience. By the way, if you're struggling to find internships, check out platforms like RateMyPlacement or Internwise, and keep an eye on your university's career services because they often have exclusive opportunities for students. Now let's talk about networking. This might sound intimidating, but it's honestly one of the best ways to build your CV. Go to career fairs, join university societies, or attend alumni events. Get yourself on LinkedIn and start connecting with professionals in your field. You never know who might become your mentor or even offer you a job down the road. But here's the thing, networking isn't just about handing out your CV, it's about building relationships that can benefit you in the long run. Attending career fairs or industry events give you the chance to get insider knowledge on what employers are really looking for. You can ask questions directly to companies, hear about job openings before they are posted online, and get advice on how to stand out in your field. Networking events also give you a chance to showcase your enthusiasm and commitment to your chosen career, which can make a huge impression on potential employers. Plus, these connections can lead to tangible opportunities. For example, you might be invited to exclusive internships or receive personal recommendation when job openings come up. So even if it's a casual conversation with someone in your field, you're creating a network that could be a stepping stone to landing that dream job once you graduate. Also, creating a strong LinkedIn profile is a must. Make sure it's updated with your latest projects, internships, and skills. You can even ask for recommendations from professors or past employers, and this can seriously boost your credibility. Another great way to beef up your CV is through online courses and certifications. Websites like Coursera or LinkedIn Learning offer loads of free and paid courses in pretty much every field. Adding a certification in something relevant to your career like a Google Analytics certificate for business students can show potential employers that you're proactive and tech-savvy. But here's the key, don't overdo it. While certifications can definitely add value to your CV, they are not a replacement for real-world experience. Employers are looking for a mix of practical skills and the ability to apply what you've learned in a professional setting. So choose courses that align with your career goals, but remember that having a degree, work experience, and good networking connections will always be more important than just stacking up online certifications. And don't forget to highlight these courses on your CV and make sure your skills section is always up to date. And don't just focus on academics. Extracurricular activities can make a real difference. Whether it's volunteering, being part of a student society, or running a campus event, these experiences can highlight your organizational skills, reliability, and interest outside of your degree. But here's a word of warning, employers aren't fooled by students who are just padding their CVs. For example, member of the drama society. Sounds great, but if you didn't actually do anything except showing up to one meeting for the free snacks, it's not going to impress. Be selective. Focus on activities where you have genuinely made an impact. It's better to have a few meaningful experiences that showcase your skills than a laundry list of things that look more like a resume filler than a real contribution. And here's a bonus tip. Employers also appreciate leadership skills. So if you are in a society, try taking on a leadership role. It will look great on your CV and give you real-world experience in managing people. Finally, proofreading and feedback, and this one is key. Once you've put your CV together, don't just leave it there. Ask a mentor, professor, or career advisor to take a look at it. A fresh pair of eyes can spot mistakes you might have missed and give you valuable feedback on how to improve. Remember, you might be new to crafting a CV, but employers have read hundreds of them. They know exactly what stands out and what doesn't. And don't forget, keep your CV clear, concise, and relevant. You don't need to list every single thing you've done. Focus on what matters most to the job you're applying for. A clean, easy-to-read CV will always make a better impression than one packed with unnecessary details. Believe me, employers won't read through a CV that's too long, so keep it short and sweet, but packed with the good stuff. So, there you have it, your guide to building a standout CV while studying in the UK. Remember, it's all about gaining experience, networking, and proving that you're proactive and eager to learn. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the hardest part about building CV while you're studying abroad? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below and let's chat about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips on student life. Catch you next time, and remember, study hard, party hard, and build that CV to get you where you want to go.